Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to download high resolution images from Snappa. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Snappa. First, log into your Snappa account and open the project you want to download. I'm going to use the template from here. Ensure your design is finalized and ready for download. Double check that all elements like image, text and graphics are in place. On the top right corner of Snappa editor, you will find the download button. Click on the download to start the download process. You can use high-res PNG for high-quality, lossless image, especially when you need transparency in your design. And JPG is great for standard high-resolution image, particularly if file size is concerning. Select the appropriate format of your need. Snappa typically provides high-resolution download option, especially for PNG or JPG format. For PNG file, that means 300 dpi, version suitable for printing. If high resolution download is available, make sure to check the box. After selecting the file format, to download will be ready. Once the image has been downloaded, you can open it and use it as needed for your project, whether it's for online use, printing or further editing. By following these steps, you can easily download high-resolution images from Snappa and ensure that your designs are of the best quality for your intended use. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.